Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. We thank you for joining us today and hope that you'll look around at some of our other videos. So today's topic is one that's very rarely talked about in the ITIL world, even though it's in all the ITIL books within service operations. And it has to do with the IT operations management function. And yes, we don't talk about functions other than the service desk very often, so I wanted to give this one a little bit of love. So IT operations management is broken down into two parts. You have your facilities management, and this is the part that's really interesting in the ITSM world, because think of data centers. How about if your data centers and your facilities that manage those, your facilities groups, are not connected with your ITSM program? I've seen this, and let me tell you a story quickly. What happens when your facilities people do halon testing in your data centers and it shuts them all down because the stuff goes off? It's happened. And so that's why you want those events on your change calendar, because everybody was going, what's happening? Why is everything shutting down? Can you imagine explaining to your business customers what the facilities guys did? It's one of those things. And so that's why we need to incorporate this in the ITSM world. So secondly, you have your IT operations control. So let's talk about this for just a second. Think of your NOC, your Network Operations Center, where you have staffed by operators. They're monitoring activity, sometimes 24/7. That's what this is. And so you have two parts. You have this data center side, and then you have this ongoing operations side. So many people will have a NOC, Network Operations Center. Some will have an IOC, an Integrated Operations Center, where they'll have the NOC plus some alarms and events monitoring, right? And so I would just want to explain this. So if you hear IT operations management and ITIL function in an ITIL way, you don't say, huh? Like I did when I first heard it. And so I wanted to be able to share this. So these are best when they are used in conjunction with your ITSM programs, because even if you think of your NOC, you want that integrated with your event management, don't you? Well, of course you do, in your incidents and all that other fun ITIL stuff. So I wanted to encourage you to integrate these functions the best you can. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave some feedback below. We'd love to hear all the comments. We do enjoy them. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.